So you want to be crypto rich. In the world of investing, they say you have to spend money to make money. But I don't really hear you have to save money to keep money. And I don't mean putting your money away and never spending it. I mean saving yourself from losing your money by not managing it properly in your investments. So for this video, I'm going to quickly talk about how much money do you need to trade crypto starting off. Because in reality, it's not really about how much do you need. It's more of how much can you manage and set some realistic goals. Let's go. Welcome to the video. This one is going to be a little bit different than what we usually do. People are always asking me, hey John, how do I get into crypto? I want to learn how to buy some crypto. How do I buy some crypto? I hear those types of questions all the time about getting into crypto trading and investing. Some people either have the money saved up and they're ready to invest, and some just don't know where to start in the world of crypto right now, since everything is so new. No regulation, so pretty much almost everything goes, which makes it extremely easy to make mistakes and lose your capital. Before we get going, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Just head over to the channel or right on the video, hit that subscribe button as well as the thumbs up button. Like this video. We're at 26.2K subscribers now. We're trying to keep growing. We have the Crypto Culture Show out now to give you guys more insight on what's happening week to week in crypto, and as well as more educational content. You can follow my Twitter as well. Just search @RealJohnDoe, and that is where I do post some more crypto tips and things you should know. Now let's get going with the video. So first things first, crypto investing may seem like a big get rich quick thing right now. There's so many trends within crypto itself, but sorry to break it to you, or maybe this is good for you to hear. It is not a get rich quick thing. And I know you may have heard of those headlines where people make millions of dollars from cryptos, some crazy, insane gains. But you have to always remember, those are a very select few people compared to the millions of people trying to buy and invest into cryptocurrencies right now. So your odds of hitting one of those huge, massive home runs in crypto, it's kind of like the lottery, but I would say maybe a little bit better. But remember, you're here to invest in crypto, not to gamble. So when you're starting off into crypto, how much money should you start with? And this can be different for everyone, but something that should be the same for everyone is it should be no more than you can afford to lose. No YOLO, no going all in because your friend said, oh, this coin here is going to $100 or this other coin right here is going to do 10,000% because Elon Musk said this. No. That's not what you want to do in crypto. And if you are looking to buy one of those YOLO plays where you kind of buy something, you leave it and you just hope for the best, well, it's best to manage that risk properly, because those types of plays, sometimes you do end up getting something like minus 90% on your investment. That happens often in crypto since there's so many cryptocurrencies and very few quality ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on. So for example, let's say you have $10,000 saved up and that's all of your savings. You should not use all of that to invest into crypto. Proper risk management is key. So something like, let's say $500 or $1,000 of that $10,000. And let's say that $1,000 does a 10x, then you'll make $10,000 back. Just like that, you have $10,000 to play with in crypto, and that other $10,000 that you saved up can go right back to your own capital. When you invest into crypto, the money you use should be money that if you lose, it will not impact your everyday life. Because if you are using funds that you rely on, then you will have a lot of pressure on your crypto investments. You just might get disappointed, and it's going to be hard to stay focused on the bigger picture. But let me show you how things look in the Currency.com platform when you're deciding how much crypto you want to buy and just how little you can invest right now in this new digital asset class. So the question is, how much do you need to trade or to invest in crypto? We look here, for example, I click buy on Bitcoin. As you can see, if I were to buy Bitcoin, I can buy as little as here on Currency.com, 0.001 BTC, and that is roughly around $4 worth of Bitcoin. So to that big question, there's no real minimum amount other than paying fees, or if the platform you're using has a minimum deposit amount. But when you are buying Bitcoin itself, you don't have to buy one whole Bitcoin. You can buy any small fraction, which are called Satoshis. And that works the same with all cryptocurrencies. When it comes to buying on Currency.com, you could buy simply from the mobile app or on the website. And you could fund your account using Bitcoin or Ethereum and many other cryptos, or you can fund your account using your bank account or a credit card. And for example, once you have funded your account, let's say you have $1,500 deposited, you would buy the same amount worth of Bitcoin. You would just enter, and to also buy $1,000 worth of Bitcoin with that deposit, you simply would go to Bitcoin, hit buy. And once you hit buy, you just enter the amount you're looking to purchase. Make this higher. Let's say we want 0.1 Bitcoin or 0.05 Bitcoin. That's around $2,000. And if you did deposit that amount, simply click buy. And just like that, you bought some. And after that, your Bitcoin stays on the platform that you purchased it on until you withdraw. And most are pretty secure nowadays. And always remember to enable 2FA on your account. Now, when you deposit into a crypto exchange, there are fees. And depending on the exchange, the fees do vary. On Currency.com, for Visa and MasterCard, the minimum deposit amount is $20 USD. And then the maximum is unlimited. And the deposit commission or the fee is 3.5%. Now, if you want to withdraw from the platform, it's a $10 minimum. And withdrawal fee is 3% and also $3. And be sure to also check out platform fees. So when you do buy the Bitcoin on the whatever platform you're using, you will get charged a fee for whatever trade you're making. So there's two fees. There's a deposit, and then there's also the trade fee. Building wealth in crypto will take time. It is risky right now since everything is brand new. So you want to be careful. So you want to be patient. And that is all for now on how much money you need to start buying crypto. That is all I have for this video. I hope it helps you out on your journey of crypto investing. If you want more educational videos like this or technical analysis, price predictions, all that good stuff, crypto related content, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Follow the videos for more. And before you take off, make sure you do hit that thumbs up button and like this video. Thanks for all the support and good luck with your trading. It's John here with Currency.com. For more trading videos just like this, please subscribe to our channel.